Oh, good morning. Good morning, Joel. Good morning, Raven. Good morning, Flag Pappy. How we doing? What's up, ES? Hello, Briv. What's going on? We look like we're in the same range as yesterday here. This is my live account. I took a short. I lost yesterday. Let's work with the lines there. But yeah, we look in the same spot as yesterday. Everyone early? I guess so. Right off VWAP. I think we could continue lower. I didn't get the move for today, not gonna lie. That's a good thing. You don't need to know. You just got to react. See what happens. Yeah. Like wait, I can continuation on Asia and I guess a manipulation on Monday. I'm just hoping we don't consolidate. Continuation. What is it? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So what was this the distribution? And this is the accumulation? And this is the manipulation? And then we distribute? I have no idea. Well, we just took out our low targets though. I could see a bounce off this pivot point off of this and then go higher. We'll see. See. Or maybe we just trend down forever. Either way, we can make some money. Points is 708 to 770s. Okay. What are we looking like on the daily these days? Could get a retrace back to the CMA. Be like the highs of these, or maybe down to here. Build that a bull flag to continue the next leg higher. Plenty of options here. Oh, yeah, you're def buying. We got kicked out of our softball playoffs yesterday. It was tragic. We played a doubleheader and lost both games, but I kind of knew that was going to happen because we're not good. We just can't hit. It's unfortunate.
Oh shit, we dumped.
Oh, welcome.
I've been on. I'm booking my dad flights right now, so I was muted.
Oh, where's he going?
He's going to Virginia for Labor Day weekend to visit sister / my aunt.
I gotcha.
Obviously, he can't book his own flights. You know, that's insane.
I was gonna ask if he's enjoying the retired life, but
No, he's not. He hasn't fucking.
Like
all he's done is work on.
I was gonna say I feel like all he's been doing is working, helping the gram out.
Yeah, well, it's just unfortunate that the day he retired, both our grandparents are like moving and clearing out their house.
Yeah. Pivot points are much smaller today. We had a small range yesterday.
taxes, so it's $5.
Taxes. All right, I at least need to make, or I want to make like at least $250 today because I just want to. Basically, the main concern this week. Obviously, I want a big payout, which would be like $500 this week to like 1,000,
Want
depending
like
on.
trip for $18, trip
But
cancellation,
excuse
and
me.
travel delay, baggage protection, 24/7
But
assistance.
if I make like 200 to 250, I'll pass my take profit trader accounts. That's the real because I get rebuild on them like the 20th or the 21st or something. So I would like to make some money in that.
From the thing. What side does she sleep on?
Yeah, I make like $220 to 200 and what is that? 85. So like I need like 15 points pretty much. I don't know why these won't go away. It's weird. Oh, whatever. Everyone's here. Everyone left. Maybe people just don't have much to say. They're watching the market intently. I don't know if I misheard, but I was watching. Wow, new thumbnail. Yep, getting slowly more professional. It's just gotta slowly bump up the quality. You know what I mean? Every once in a while,
This one,
do a little something that makes everything a little bit better. That's it. Yeah, I'm locked in. I still listen to that. Yeah, exactly. I don't expect people to type in chat when they're trying to trade. I don't even look at chat when I'm in the trade because I'm just focused. So
I think it's the same.
okay, getting a retracement here.
Shit.
I feel like volumes. Seems high-ish. I mean, I know we're still early, but we're only 8 minutes in. Not really, I guess. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned this. I would think I was about to say it and then I forgot. But I saw Pat say something about like that prop firm he promotes, like funding ticks. I think he said it was like $50 with no activation fee. So I don't know if anybody's heard anything about that, but it might be something to look into if you're looking for like a cheap. And I think it said you can have like 6 accounts or something. I kind of want to look into it. Thanks, I'll look it up. Yeah, I don't know if it took that long, guys. I don't know how Or if maybe I don't. Maybe I was misunderstanding and it was $50 off or something. Do I have to make an account just to be able to look? That can't be right. Okay, there we go. Hold on here. I might be looking to get short, depending on what we do here.
Do you want to? Yeah, you can pick right there in the aisle. I'm assuming that there's probably more leg room.
It's Long City today, Tuckers, you think? I mean, I know we took out the lows and shit, but I think this could still be a retracement type of day.
That one leaves at 11.
So I'd be careful, yeah. See it going to 521 area. I thought you just said 521 longs? 521 shorts. Nvidia's fallen off here. ES is pumping the high. Trying to get it back above that range.
Michael, when you're done doing your thing today.
Oh, good lord. I gotta move out. 531. I mean, I don't even need a friggin'. If I take 15 points of a short, I'll be happy. We could be long later in the day, but we'll see. Maybe we rip up right through here. I wouldn't mind. I'm worried because it says like the volatility is low, but I don't know. I feel like these candles are relatively big.
Want to use this card?
KFS. Take any trades yet? I have not, no. I might fucking take this short here, though. I don't know, yep. When am I moving out? Whenever Johnny is ready. So, I don't know. Not a lot to lose today, right? Could be this range shit. I'm hoping since we ranged yesterday, we don't today, but like Raven said, we did kind of trend all Asia session, so I'm not entirely sure. I think we have news for the rest of the week, though. Or I think we like Powell speaks. I think we have FOMC minutes one day, and I think we have like a bunch of news another day. So
Okay, so it's gonna be 188.
like I kind of want to get short if we get below these 93s. Problem is I can't even put a stop. I can't even risk more than 30 points. My 30-point stop would be at like the 21s or something. That's not even like the high. I mean, granted, if it comes up to there, it's probably over anyways. What is ES doing? ES rejecting hard, NASDAQ kind of falling.
Order submitted. Order filled.
credited the confirmations too.
88.75.
Email.
I'm gonna be really aggressive here.
Stop filled.
Okay. I'm aggressive. I need those take profit trader accounts passed, so we took the low.
That's fine.
So
Was I muted? Was I not muted that whole time?
You were until you unmuted and then you weren't, but that's fine.
Sorry, my bad.
No, you're good.
Thought I was.
Well, I'm probably done for the day.
Oh. That was a beautiful short. I missed it.
Dude, oh my god, how many people chatted in the fucking 2 seconds I took the trade? If I did take that long, 20 points. Johnny, just take a loan out and worry about it later, right? It's on my PA account, so I'm super excited. Nice. Cool right now. I took it, I think $200, easy $400. I'm trying to take it slow and not have a gambling addiction. Oh, it's gonna flush. Baby steps, yeah, I used my 5 damn, should have held. Shit, it's 140 for activation fee. Gotta be careful. Oof, nice trade, perfect. GG, I was on that short, banger, GG's. Short from 695, nice. We're all making money here, I know, that's good. Made 1.5K again. Jesus, Joel, didn't you make that yesterday too? Nice trade, thank you, Onyx.
He's doing
Did anyone take the bounce off that
trading
EMA?
bigger size.
I think he passed the eval yesterday though. Good job, people though. Seemed like everybody made money there. I wanted to hold down to here, but I just didn't know if we were gonna have trouble here. I just wanted to trail because I wanted to pass those accounts, which I know you shouldn't do, but whatever.
David, you got some issues.
Right now I'm gonna go back to sleep. We have 1.5K in the funded. Jesus, you're fucking risking heavy, Joel. What? And the reset is flipping now. What are you trading? What account? Yeah, this is gonna run, I think. Close for 700 in all accounts. Nice job, Flag Bobby. Yeah, I think we'll at least hit this pivot point here. I mean, it's more likely than not we fucking hit the pivot point before we pull all the way back, but
Close the door.
we'll see. Love to see it, everyone. I know. Good job. As someone who wakes up 10 times to battle my demons, I think this sleep is valid, Johnny. Thanks, Fury. Battle your demons. I was tired last night. God, I felt like I woke up 10 times.
I woke up
Between like 6 and 8, I was at Sarah's house, and I just felt like I could not sleep.
I woke up at 1:30 and I didn't go back to bed until like 4. I just woke up and I'm like, I'm wide awake, and I just like was laying there watching videos. Short. Makes me mad. Of course I hear it too. Like, ready to short and look over it, I'm like, it's really good right now. But
I don't know why you wouldn't just tell him to fucking wait.
I don't know. 'Cause it was literally like, I needed like 1 more minute. I was freaking done.
664.25. I grabbed 24 points on that. That's fun. Alright, what are we looking at here? Dude, these accounts need to fucking get deleted or something. Has anybody used my fund? I mean, Alpha Futures? Like, why do I still have my evals even though I have my fundeds now? I don't understand what's happening. you want to buy some? Hey Mike, what do you use to copy trade? Replicanto, Joel. It's like $200. I found like some guy had like a code for it that I used, so it was like 20% off. So it's like $150. But if there's no code, try to find a code before you get one.
You could definitely find a code somewhere.
Yeah, but $150.
Worth it.
It is worth it. We used to use a
Even if you have freaking 2 accounts, it's worth it
Yeah.
just because slippage is so bad. Like,
Right.
if you get a free one, like sometimes it wasn't filling me, and then I'm losing
Yeah.
hundreds of dollars, and it's just,
or like even you would get filled, but the difference would be so brutal. Like you'd sit there and make like $200 on one account and be up like 30 in the other. So if you're like legit about it and you know it's gonna, like that's the thing. It's like you just have to have faith in yourself. If you know you're gonna get to a point where you're copy trading a lot. Like I knew I was gonna be copy trading a lot when I was trading one account because I knew what I wanted to do. And I honestly probably should have bought it earlier than I did. But if you plan on copy trading, I would recommend that. Or just trade on Tradeovate. If you're only trading like one prop firm, you can just copy trade on Tradeovate if you know that platform. But otherwise,
yeah. But it's like on Wealth Search, you probably can only trade 20 accounts of Apex.
yeah,
If
exactly.
you're trading multiple prop firms, you can't do that.
Yeah. Tradeovate is buns. What, just like the strict platform, Tekkas? I like kind of
But
didn't
you can't have
hate
like
it.
spreads,
I
right?
traded it on like the cash account when I was away at the wedding because it's just like online and you don't need to download anything for it. Because like I was using a laptop, and I didn't hate the system.
Yeah, but can't you? You don't have spreads. You don't have like an ATM strategy.
Yeah, but I mean you can just put it in right after, so it's not terrible.
Yeah, no, it's nice when you just click and it's just set.
I mean, most of the time I'm moving my brackets anyways. Like it just comes up
Yeah,
and then I drag it. So like before, I was like, no, I can't because immediately I want my 20 points or 20-point stop loss. But now like I'm more fluid with it anyways. It's honestly not even that bad when you're just like, oh, I want this high, click it, and then put it like you're like, all right, stops at this high and then take profit. Like I don't know, it's not terrible, but just felt sluggish. Um. It's still better than like Trading View though, just trading on Trading View. Trading View is like the slowest one, I think. Like it just doesn't like flow right.
Raven, you
It
were
has ATM, but just felt so. Oh wait, Tradeovate has an ATM. Really?
Raven. Looks like
Yeah,
you are
but
right on
can't
those
ATM for
longs.
copy trading. Yeah. Not for copy trading. Oh, okay, okay. Just one account. Yeah, so like for your cash account, it'd be okay to use. What am I looking at for accounts here?
Push-up was perfect. Oh, I read it.
I don't know.
I'm not Mike. I don't ignore you guys.
That is not true. You ignore more than I do. I only ignore when I'm
Is
in
that
the
true?
trade. Yes, yes, it is. Half the time I have to be like that. And you're like, oh, I don't even have your chat open.
Yeah, maybe when it's first thing in the morning and it's like the market just opens and it's 5 minutes. See, Raven loves me more than you.
Yeah, sure. Meanwhile, you call her fat all day long. Setting up more prop firms. I'm getting a cash account. I'm gonna throw 15K in there. It just doesn't seem worth it. And it's so funny, Tekkas. I have not more anxiety, but like I'm more concerned about my prop firm accounts than my cash account. Like my cash account, I don't care because it never feels like I'm gonna take out money. Because even if I put 15K in there, I don't want a 15K cash account. I want a friggin' 6-figure cash account. So then it would just be growing and growing and growing, and I'd never take any money out. And then it just like feels boring and not like real money, even though it's more like real money than prop firm. Like it's a weird psychology thing for me.
Well, you also base it off like I'm making $10,000 a trade and you will never get that on a cash account. So like
Yeah.
it's like so minimal for you, but like in real, it's subjective because it's real and you can just take it out whenever, and that's like how you kind of want to trade.
Yeah, true.
Because like the prop firms are great, but like if once you get to the point where you like are trading a cash account, you only really want to go for like a couple like $1,000 plus a day, and
Yeah,
that's
which
how I
which
see
you'd
like
need like 50K for to.
90% of day traders are just doing that. They're just like going for like grand a day or
Yeah, but 90% of traders are also losing and don't have 50K.
I'm saying ones that like I see on like TikTok and stuff like
Oh,
that. They're trading their cash accounts. It's like they're only going for like
wait, it's subjective. I'm 100 on Earth, 67 on Mars, and 400 on Jupiter.
better than freaking being a simp bitch that just gives you her money and then she doesn't respect you. Rather call her fat and make fun of her.
Gonna do the same thing I do with my firms. Like, same exact trading strategy, Tuckers. Like, Poppy, I would be scared of some black swan event on a live account. Like, what do you mean? I just, I see people trade. Like, I watched like Alpine trade a little bit yesterday, and he was like going for like 11 ticks or something like that, or 21 ticks, and he didn't have a stop loss in. I'm like, that I can't imagine not having like at least your max stop loss in, because I don't know how many times you've seen like just a random 100 point candle down on like a random day. Like, I would never enter the Nasdaq without a stop loss ever, ever. Even if it's just at like your max loss and it's nowhere close to like anywhere near. But I swear you need one in just in case, always. Once the money is in the account, in my mind, the money will have no emotional value at that point. Te- I agree. Like Tekis, it has like less emotional value than fake money prop firms for me though. That's what I'm saying. Like, because I just feel like I'm never gonna take it out ever, because even if I put like I have like 12K in a cash account, it's like even if I get it to 20K, I'm not even gonna take out any money because I want to get it to 100K before I start taking out any money. That's a problem. So it just feels so far fetched that I just like don't even care, and then I end up taking worse trades because I'm like, I don't care. It's only $600 of an account that just sits there anyways. Like some crazy news event happens while you're in a trade and your account gets liquidated, will skip over your stop. Yeah, I mean that would be tragic.
I wouldn't hate a little trap and then
Like
just
some
push back.
random tweet from Trump saying some terrible shit and then it just dumps or something.
I just feel like that's so like that's such like a niche thing to be scared of.
Yeah, but it's definitely a possibility. But still,
Yeah, but that's why you always have like. Are you talking about not having a stop loss?
no. But they're saying even if you have a stop and it's just like 100 point dipper out of nowhere, and then like it just grabs you wherever like it can find liquidity, and then
Yeah.
it's like 50 points below your stop. Like that's what sucks. That's what the live market's terrible.
I mean, like this is how much you I know you just don't even care about your cash account because you accidentally traded your cash account instead of an eval and you lost 2 grand and you're like, damn, that sucks, and then you
Yeah.
just like didn't even care.
Yeah,
Like,
literally. I'm like, well, oh well. I literally don't care about it at all. And then like that's what I'm saying. Like I built it back up to higher. I just don't care. Like even yesterday, I took a trade on it and I lost, and I'm like, well, whatever. And like even like my stop, I'm like, I risk more on my cash account than I do. I think I lost like $700 or something. I'm like, all right, whatever. I mean, granted, I made like 2 grand last weekend, and I think. But I'm just like so much more loosey goosey with it. I like don't wait for my entries properly and shit like that. I'm just like, oh, I think it could go down, and then I just fucking get in, and then like sit in the drawdown because I don't care if my stop's like 40, 50 points. But I like it for the fact that if I see trade, I'd love to hold for a few days. I can. That is true as well.
a
Like
cash
it
account would
is.
be
There's
perfect for
nothing.
big moves, like
Yeah,
swing trade.
nothing feels sillier than losing money on purpose to stay within the consistency rule. It is the dumbest concept in trading. I'm like, what do you think about that video I sent yesterday? I don't care if you watch it, but it proves that your flag patterns are good. You're Raven, I'm so stupid. I like couldn't interpret the video. I watched it while I was driving on the way to softball, and I was watching it, and I don't know. I couldn't understand if he thought it was because he's like, well, it's like random patterns that show up, but it's based off of random data, and like, but it's like, okay, it's just lines that show up on a chart. I don't know, because I don't understand the whole programming aspect that he was talking about and shit. I'm too dumb. Maybe because you were driving? No. I focus better when I drive. Driving's so boring. You have to be on your phone. There's nothing else to do.
How do you feel about
Yeah, that'd be nice. That goes for swing
longs
trading.
could be a potential here?
I mean, I see we're both flagging. I just don't know where. I mean, we're below the VWAP, so I'd want to get short, but I mean, we're probably gonna at least get up to like the 17s. That's where the pivot point, the VWAP, and the 5-minute EMA is. So I could see a retrace to there to then continue lower. So I don't hate that, but
Please don't long. You think?
please don't.
And I wouldn't even want to get in until we break that.
I think we could get a quick pop up like 20 points, 30 points before we continue lower. Not gonna lie, Johnny, right now, ES looking chopped. Now, ES looks like it's about to long too. Nvidia looks like it's trying to get above the VWAP. I don't know. I could see this as a potential long here. I don't need it.
ES looks perfect for
Yeah, I know. ES is perfectly bull flagging above the EMA and shit like that. Yep, alright, it's going. Just the question if this is a trap or not, but it looks decent. But don't want to knock on Pal 2 times this week. Shit's gonna be wild, I hope. 2 times. I thought he was like speaking on like Friday or something. Are you in or no?
I got in at the EMA. I don't know if much I want to.
Isn't someone talking now? No, I don't think we have any news today. Oh, yeah, FOMC member Bowman speaking, but it's yellow folder. You must be a nobody.
I'm not going crazy on this trade.
Like if we got back above the 92s now, I would feel really good. If we can get back up there.
Maybe I jumped the gun a little bit, but try to get on.
I don't know. I probably would have entered that. Like, ES is trying to get higher. ES is breaking above the 15-minute range right now. Nvidia kind of got rejected there at the pivot point and the VWAP and the EMA.
ES is about to break the high.
Yeah.
It's just tempting too.
Yeah, I think Nvidia is dragging NQ down. ES still trying to pump higher. Got to get above that EMA. Like, I think if we get back up to the 90s, we'll go. I kind of want to take it. Like, this looks
Yes,
really
just
good right
high.
now. This looks like it's going to fucking rip.
And I don't need that much. I'm just trying to hold to like S1 level.
Yeah, ES is pumping too. This does look good. Just afraid to give away pro.
ES is going straight up. Come on, NQ.
Yep.
There we
Yep.
go.
Just be careful. I mean, I'd probably go for the like 717's pivot point, but we're up past the 2-minute. We just bounced off the 3-minute, and then we still
Oh,
can
I,
reach the 5.
That already filled me.
Well, there's your pivot point. I fucking knew it. 17s. Fuck me. Fuck! Well, that could have been 26 more points. That would have been another $500. Oh, that looks so good. That looks so good.
And you guys all said longs were bad.
That is true. It did say that.
Chat doesn't know what they're talking about. Chat's stupid.
Whoa. Yeah, right
I'm
up to
just
the
kidding.
fucking, right up to the
I'm
VWAP
just
and the
kidding.
5-minute EMA. Oh my god, that looks so fucking good. I couldn't get in. Alright, it's so hard to get in when you're already green. I swear, it's so hard.
I know. It
Even
is.
though realistically, I would have risked 18 points and I still could have been up on the day, and I passed my evals, so I already had those
Whoa, whoa,
unclicked.
whoa! I was joking, guy. I was joking, Tekis. I got more than 5K. I got like total payouts. I got like 15.
Not
Nothing
today. It's a
crazy. But
snoozer. It's a loser. If I was right, my indicator says it's going to 644. Well, your indicator just got fucking burnt. Haven't taken anything. Still in range. All right. I was on vacation. Let's see. Got within 20 feet of a grizzly bear. Jesus. Are you okay? You haven't called the bottom, Johnny. I said to go along with the bottom. You have like 5K in payouts, brother. Wow. Been
I know.
rich if it was real. The disrespect. I don't know. That looked really good. Yeah, ES fucking rip tire.
I was happy with it. I mean, literally, it was just like teetering, and then
That's
it
what I'm
just
saying. I said
I
if
was
it
up.
came back up, it really looked like it was gonna go, and then I just could not put my fucking finger. That would have been, oh brother, that would have been really good for me.
Like I was like teetering at my break even, and then all of us like, oh, I was down a little bit, and then it just instantly I was up like fucking 25 points.
26. That would have been another like $500. Yeah, that'd be like max payout on some accounts.
Can you withdraw right now?
I'm not sure. Well, I made like. I think I need to get like above 53,500, which I am in some accounts, but not in most. I think I'll probably wait one more day. Try to have a green day tomorrow. If I took that trade, I would be able to request like 25K today. Probably 30 with my for the Future accounts too. Whatever. I passed my take profit trader accounts, made $500. I'm not upset. Just looked really good. Mike, I have a 25K account. I need to make 1,600 to go over the buffer to be considered
What's the
safe.
profit target? Or is it $1,500? I don't remember.
I mean, it's probably just half, right? Yeah. So your drawdown will stop. So you have $1,500 in drawdown. So when you get up to 26,500, I think anything over that you'll be able to take out. Is that how that works? Because I'm trying to think. For the 50K, the buffer is 52,100, and I can take out anything over that, but it needs to be a minimum of $500. So I need to
What's
get
the
the account to
maximum?
52,600.
So 1,500 is the maximum payout for a 25K account?
Oh yeah, I forgot it's different too. Yeah, so the
Because it's
maximum is
based off your max
1,500.
payout. That's what your buffer is.
So
So if your max payout's $1,500, your buffer would be $1,600, like you said. But it depends on what the max payout is. I don't know what it is.
yeah, it's 1,500. Why would it be 1,600?
Because it's $100 over.
So
It's
what? She needs to get the account to 20. What? To get max
Yeah.
payout 20.
I mean, for your first, like, you don't have a payout, right? I think the 50Ks are the best value, but I mean,
Did you have to pay $140 for the activation fee still?
I think it's a little cheaper.
I hope not. I hope we don't have to pay $140 for a. Okay, it is cheaper. I think it is.
Yeah, so
TPT.
your profit, yeah, so your profit goal is 1,500, so your buffer would be 1,600. So if you make like 28,000, you could get, or $28,100, you could get a full payout.
No, she doesn't have to make $3,100. Does she? Oh, because maybe.
For a full payout, yeah.
Oh, yeah, true. Because I guess you gotta make 4,100 on a 50K.
Real like for ratio wise, the 25K account is the best because it's your profit goal and your trailing threshold
It's just
is
like you
the
have
same.
to trade micros if you're in it. I don't like to trade micros.
Yeah, like you can't like. That's the thing. We would. It's Our size is perfect for a 50K account with like
Our size
consistency
is
rule.
even considered heavy for a 50K account. Like
Yeah.
I think if we had a 100K account, our size would feel a lot like less stressful.
Like
But
Raven, like what? How much money are you making per trade about?
do you leave any
No,
buffer when taking payouts, Mike?
the problem may be your
On
consistency.
my
If you
fund of
make like
futures, I
this,
do because they don't require any buffer. So like you would just blow the accounts if you just made $1,200 in them. So yes, Apex, no. I take out as much as I can. I just withdraw it all the way back to 52,100 because that's like as far as you can withdraw it, and then I have $2,000 in drawdown. That's kind of how I've been doing it. My fund of
yeah. So
futures, I treat differently.
what's or is it? Yeah. So consistency wise, that's good. I wouldn't try to make like
Yeah, no,
you
no
can make
problem.
a little bit more actually, but you don't want to make a huge size unless you're just strictly going for max payouts. Because $400 for the consistency, you need $1,300 in profit. So it's like pretty good for.
Honestly, Raven, for your next account, I don't recommend you get an Apex account. There's just cheaper options for the same rules, kind of. Apex is
You
only
sh-
good because you can get 20 accounts. That's it.
that's what you
It's
should get
you should get
5 My Fund of Futures accounts first.
yeah. Out of
Any
everything,
account,
I always suggest my fund of futures first. They are, I think, they're the most beginner friendly, easiest to get payout, and cheap.
yeah, My Fund of Futures. Get if you want to get more, get you can get 5 core accounts. I think it's I think right now you could get it for like $66 or it's like $70 or like 60 in the 60s. Depends on what code you
Yeah,
get,
with no
but
activation
yeah,
fee. It's
no activate
you
like
could
that's full
pass it
price.
one day if you really wanted to, but I mean, you're paying more for the eval. But yeah, like that's where they get you. Like you got to care a little bit more about the eval, or you don't have to, but it's just a little bit more expensive. Like the Apex ones, you can kind of blow through, but then you have to pay the activation fee.
Yeah, but
My fund of
the good
futures is
thing
just a
is
little bit more expensive, and then
there's no consistency for um your funded accounts now. So like you just have to take your eval kind of more serious because it's gonna take you like 3 days. Even though you could get it in two, but you have to like make like over $1,500 and have a 50-50 ratio, which is just hard to get. So it's like realistically you could pass in 3 days, and then there's just no consistency after, and you could just like trade normal.
from like you're so close to going live on my fund of futures. I think you also need 6 payouts though,
Yeah,
or
you need
five
6 payouts.
payouts. I don't. Yeah, standalone qualification to go live. I don't know. I mean, I have 24 days. This will be my 25th day of profit. But I don't like my fund of futures because it doesn't reset like Apex does.
It does
No,
reset.
it doesn't. Because I can't. I have $3,100 in this and I can't take a payout.
When was the last time you got that big?
Like, I couldn't do it even before this day. Like, it doesn't reset. Trust me. Like, your consistency rule doesn't reset. Like, you now need to, like, grow your balance. Like, it doesn't just count your balance back at whatever, like Apex does. You need to continue to grow it.
I swear it does, but
Let's see, 30. Oh, wait, did this already update? 3169?
yeah, they update every like 10 minutes.
Oh, it just doesn't show it here yet.
No, like the trades won't
Yeah,
update,
the P&L does though.
but like yeah, yeah.
Well, all right. What is my consistency rule then? Bro, Mike, you're so close to going live on payout. Click on payout. Hold on. I just want to make sure it doesn't show any of my fucking information. Not that I'm too worried, but.
The only thing that like I'm saying my funded futures, like you paid how much was your total for a 25K account, Raven? What was your total um like expense? Yeah, that $1,000 day is really killing you for your consistency.
Right, but even before that, I had enough in my account to take out, but it's you need like, I mean, what is $1,000? Like $1,000 for 40% is what?
Or yeah, so you could with
Uh,
you could get 2 core accounts with my funded futures and make $1,000 on each one. So if you get like two for for the same price as like 154. That's why I say you should do that. I guess it would technically be the same,
as what?
but they're easier to get payouts in because you only you have to get you have to make $1,600 and then make like $1,500 after that. With my funded futures, you could literally be up $1,000 in your account as
Take
long as
out.
you can and take out.
You for $1,000 day? What's that, Sandra? What are you asking?
For a thousand-
You for $1,000 day? I didn't
The
have
thing is that you made like you had $1,000 day. Like you made
Well,
$1,000 in one day.
last week, not today. I thought he was asking about today. No, today I'm at like 480.
Yeah, like and especially because there's no consistency rule anymore. So literally, if you're just up $1,000 in your account after 5 green days, you could take out your $1,000. Granted, you'll probably blow them because
Yeah, you will blow them, but it's like it's so good to get your feet off the ground. Like to
Yeah.
like not feel guilty about buying more accounts. That's what you did. Like that's what we were doing with the starter accounts. It's like buy three when they were just doing. It's like you will buy 3 starter accounts for $300 pretty much. Not even. It was like they used to be like $80. It'd be like $240 total. Flip it or make $1,200. Take out $1,200. Blow the account. Have $3,600 from $240. And then you could just buy whatever accounts you fucking want with that, and you don't feel guilty.
I mean that's
And like
I
it's with
had
your profit. Like
I had
it's
three
the
starter
best for that.
accounts.
It's the best churn and burn accounts there are.
I had 3 starter accounts and 2 take profit trader accounts in like March, and I went on an absolute heater, and I took 2 max payouts with my funded futures, and I got like some money out of my take profit trader accounts, and I got just from those 5 accounts, I got up to like 28 accounts. Granted, I fucking sat there and blew them all because I went on an absolute heater, and then I went on the absolute heater of losing streaks.
Syndrome passing the evals pain on my fun and futures though? No. My fun and futures has a good eval.
Not anymore.
Oh. Because it's 2
It's
data
50%
pass. Well,
consistency.
what
which
if
is
you
like 3 days.
unless you trade the start? Can you trade 5 starters now or no?
No. No.
Is it still only 3?
You could trade 3 starters and 2 cores.
Yeah. That's not a terrible idea either. Just buy 3 starters.
I need a discount. If you just do code
PW.
YouTube, just do YouTube. YouTube will always give you the best one.
Unless they don't have a
Alright.
code right now.
They always have a code.
No, only for new plans on my fun future.
Yeah.
Yeah. But Johnny, see, I have $3,100 in my account, right? So take out like this $480 day I just had. What is that? It's over 2,600, right?
Yeah, but you
Yeah.
still haven't. Did you get a payout after your $1,000 day?
No, but my $1,000 day, I would only need $2,500 if you were talking about it your way. But it's from where the account sits before or after you already take the payout. Like that's what I'm talking about. Because $1,000, 40% is 2,500. So even if I made $1,000, if my account was like how it works in Apex, if it was above 2,500, which is what it was, 2,594 is what was available to be requested. That was before today.
Oh, okay. So the consistency isn't based off the starting value; it's based off when you withdraw
From withdrawal
down to.
yeah, like it's
I
like
gotcha,
whatever.
I gotcha.
That's what I'm saying. It raises every time.
I thought you were meant like the consistency doesn't reset because the consistency resets. It's just based off
Not
the.
really though. Like not it's not like good like Apex. Apex has the better consistency in that aspect where it's like you can make
Is it only
400.
5%? I think it's 15% for resets right now.
Yeah.
If you bought them like a
But
week ago when they first did it, it was 15% off. It was like 50 something dollars.
wait, Raven, before you buy that, um I don't know. Pat was saying something about my funding ticks that seemed like a crazy deal. He was saying they were like
There's a
fifty
bunch of
dollar
good ones
accounts
now.
or something.
Like Apex is literally the worst one to
Yeah,
buy right now.
it is.
It's
It's
just so expensive.
if you pass the eval and then on one go and then activate, you're spending $174 for one account. Like that's not
$50
worth
for a
it.
50K account on Fanatics. What's like? There has to be some rule that
Yeah,
sucks.
I know. That's
No?
what I'm wondering. But I would
There's
say before
always
you buy
one.
it, at least yeah, there's always something that sucks. The only three things you have to look for though, I don't care about what you can take out. There's three things. It's price. What did I say? I said it in the Discord the other day, Raven. It's like price,
Consistency.
consistency rule, and I said one other thing.
DCA.
No. I don't even care about a payout cap because if you make $1,000 times fucking 6 accounts, you get $6,000, and then like who's complaining about that? I think people
Number of
complain about
accounts.
the payout cap.
Consistency. Yeah, makes sense.
Oh yeah, number of accounts. That's what I said. Yeah. So it's like all that you should really look at is price, consistency, and number of accounts. That's the only thing I care about. It's like if it's cheap and the consistency rule is 30 or 40%, and you can get a couple of accounts, I think those are good. Everything else is kind of just noise. Yeah, there's like some end of day drawdown. Oh, and I depend and no activation fee. I don't want to be paying activation fees at this point. Like the only thing I'll do it for is Apex because you can get so many of them. But
I'm assuming it's the Pro Plus.
I don't know. And I'm not. Whoa, Discord. And I'm not in it. Oh no, it's not my Discord. It's 12. So.
Okay, so that's where they get you. You can pick your weekly reward cap. I don't know what that is, but it's either 1,000 or 5,000.
Or see, I'm Pat saying to pick 1,000. I don't know. Billionox is nice. Eval's like $30 with a
That's
discount code.
$77,
Just
and
the
then
activation fee is $150. See, that's the problem, Sandra. It's like, why would you spend $150 on an activation fee after you already passed the eval? Like $150 is crazy. Like take Profit Trader. It's like these 5 accounts that I just passed. These are $102 with no activation fee. The My Infinite Future ones, no activation fee. The Alpha Future ones, no activation fee. Also, you can look into Alpha Futures, Raven. I don't recommend them as much because I don't know enough about them. That's the thing. Like I just passed the 3 accounts. I haven't had to go through their withdrawal process or anything yet. But like My Infinite Futures is sick too because you literally get paid in like 2 minutes. Like you request, it instantly gets approved. They send it to your Rise account, and then you can just transfer it to your Rise account. And it takes like the whole thing process takes like a day. It's so much better.
what, My Funded Futures?
Yeah, it's so.
My
Nice.
Funded Futures is the fastest payout.
Yeah.
You literally get your money within 10 minutes of requesting.
Yeah, it's just like however long it takes from Rise to transfer into your bank, which is like a day probably.
Which I don't even do that. I get it instantly because I just send it to my Coinbase.
Yeah,
And then I send it to my bank, which is instant too.
Yeah,
It's just like I'll pay like a $10 fee or whatever.
gosh, y'all make me feel stupid for paying it. There's just a time and a place to get 20 Apex accounts or like to get Apex accounts, but I don't recommend. It used to be good when it was, because all the prices have come down in the past, like since we've started doing this. Like Apex used to be really good. And it's like now, like
And
their
prices
activation
have
fee
gone
was
up.
their activation fee was $85. Now it's $140. But like, and then everybody still like loses their shit when the 90% comes off. But that's because nobody cares about the activation fee because nobody fucking passes. I'm gonna get Replicado and
used
some
to
other
be-
My Infinite Future account when I get a payout from these Apex accounts. Yeah, good plan. Or
Because
go
they
take
always
Profit
have a
Trader.
deal. It used to be like normal for it to be 80% off with an 85 lifetime
Yeah.
activation fee.
So
So it
it's
was
like
like
$34 and then $85. whatever that
Yeah,
is.
so you paid like $110, $120, and that was nice. But now it's
Yeah.
like $170 per account. It just
Yeah.
doesn't seem as worth it.
No.
Especially if you're new and you're not like I could see like Mike's been doing freaking really good and he's been on heater, so like it would make sense for him to just buy
But
20.
even still, it's just like I'd rather buy five funding Tix accounts or something like that at this point. Like, because I got unbanned, so I can buy Apex accounts again. And I don't even know if I will buy the last five. Like, obviously, it would have been nice to have because at this point, I would definitely would have gotten payouts in them and probably made an extra. I mean, 5 accounts, at least like 2 or 3K taken out. I probably would have made another 10 or 15K from it, which obviously is really good. But like, and I have 5 take profit trader account. Like, what's the difference at that point? These were just cheaper.
Yeah. Yeah, Raven, I'd do that. My funded futures is the easiest accounts if you want to just scale
Yeah.
accounts.
Yeah.
You can buy like other prop firms.
Okay, let me get a
Like, they're
payout
the
and then
best
I'll
like
use the
starter
money.
to
Yeah.
buy other stuff. Like
And-
I would go if I'm starting new, like if I'm you, I
My fund
buy
futures
my
all
funded
day.
futures. And then if I get payouts in those, I'm going straight to take profit trader.
I just hate take profit trader right now because I've never gotten a payout with them.
I know, but like they're I like take profit trader. They have like you have to take their eval serious, which kind of like because you have to trade them for 5 days, which is kind of like eh. But once you have the funded accounts, is anything over like 52,000, you can just take out every single day. So if you can get to that buffer, it's so nice. And you can have 5 accounts of those. I don't know if they still have their deal, but it was like no activation, $110 or something like that. And then I'd probably go like alpha futures. Like I'm gonna have like freaking 20 accounts before I buy more Apex accounts. Kid's talking shit about Apex, he's gonna lose his affiliate.
Me?
I was just saying this.
I don't fucking care if you use it or not. I use it because I promote it because I use it. I like it, but I also know the strategy, and I don't think you should buy it first, regardless if I fucking have it as affiliate or not. Apex have turned into literally if you want to scale big with one prop firm, you do Apex. It's not worth it for most of the people.
It's either this or a 10 leg parlay. Yeah, what's your 10 leg parlay was?
Raven sent a thing in the Discord the other day for like a 3-legger that hit, and for UFC.
Really?
Yeah,
I hit
she had like
I hit a
$400.
2-legger yesterday, or like the other day.
I haven't sports bet in a long time.
I
Football
bet on
season's coming
the
back up, so we'll see.
the Red Sox almost fucked me too. I bet on the Red Sox -1.5, and then I bet on the.
Didn't the Red
Mets
Sox lose by like
outright.
5?
It was the other day. Whenever they won,
I was gonna say. I think they lost by like 5 yesterday.
no, they lost by.
Coinbase allows you to transfer. It doesn't let me. I have no idea. Don't tell me it doesn't let you. I have fucking 60K sitting in my Coinbase right now.
Oh, are you talking about Rise to Coinbase?
Oh, I had that issue too. I can't transfer from Rise to Coinbase. I don't know why.
You can. You have to get the Coinbase wallet, and then you
I
have to
tried
transfer
that
the
and it
Coinbase
wouldn't work. Still. It's
Coinbase
being
wallet to the Coinbase account.
I'm gonna fit. Hey Mike, what's your Discord server? I don't have a Discord server, Joel.
I don't know why.
He thinks it's too guru. It's I don't know. Can we do something else that's not a Discord? Is there something that's so similar, but I don't have to be like link in the description to my Discord that every person has?
Well, I don't know why
I
you
fucking
are
hate
so
it.
against
I
it.
fucking
I don't
hate it.
know why you're so.
'Cause
You're not
every
charging
Discord-
anything.
Every Discord just seems so retarded. You go in it and it's just dick and shit jokes and people saying the N word every 2 seconds. That's all it is.
Should I make a Discord right now, guys?
No. Literally, this is. I told you it's people saying the N word every 2. The second message that just happened. Let's see. What do they say in the Diego's?
He's gonna get banned on YouTube now.
Well, I can show that. I think I can say it. I'm not sure though. It's just a word.
I'll make one right now.
No.
Create my own
No. Fucking relax.
for me and my friends.
Stop.
Why are you so against it? It's literally just gonna be us being able to talk when you're not on stream.
Yeah, but then they're never
Yeah,
gonna
see,
join the
everyone
stream.
wants it. Everyone wants it.
Everyone wants it. 2 people said yes.
What should our Discord name be? Give us some ideas. Spitball.
What are we doing here?
I don't know why you're against it.
Because I have fucking 5 people. What is the point?
Because everybody wants it. Okay, Raven, you're banned from picking a name. Someone else. Let's hear some names.
Alright. I'll make it later.
He's not gonna make it, guys. He's lying straight to your face.
This guy's
Dude,
already in. This guy's like turning into my label. He's trying to take off my shit. He's doing my TikToks now. He's doing.
Because you won't do it yourself.
Mike's Indians. Raven said her like FFs and like Ilias have one. It's called like Dirty Mike and the Boys. I thought that was funny. Cause that's from like the other guys.
I've never seen that movie.
What?
Never
He's
seen
like,
the
thanks
movie.
for the F Shack, signed Dirty Mike
I
and the
told
Boys.
you, I don't like watching comedy movies. I don't like to. I'm not a funny person. I don't.
Yeah, we know you're not funny.
No. I don't
I'm
like
like an
comedy.
affiliate with fucking Replicanto.
Probably just ask.
Because I do. That's probably my most asked question is what I copy trade with. And I do fuck with Replicanto. I do like them.
Fuck with Replicanto. Mike's favorite Indian village. Nice.
Wait, did we ever find out what was the bad part about $50 things for funding ticks?
I think the max payout you can get is just $1,000, and I don't know what the buffer is.
Okay,
could be
so
like
you
$1,000
spend $50 for 6 accounts. You spend $300 and you can get 6K. Sounds pretty good to me.
But I don't know if it's like you have to pass the eval, and then you also have to make. I don't know if you have to make it above the buffer.
I don't know why you always say eval. Like throw
Eval?
throw another V on there for no reason.
Eval?
Eval. There's no V. Where's the second V? It's evaluation. Eval.
No, I will always say it. I just eval.
Stupid. Oh, it's 40% consistency too?
Yep.
No daily loss. Minimum trading days, 3. Is that why it's bad? Is it 3 days to pass? I swear, these prop firms are bad at laying out their rules. I'm just gonna keep this Apex account and trade until I die.
Can I
That's the
say?
goal.
I'm just gonna try it on your own. Curious.
Right, they had people like me confused. Well, I mean, I think it probably says.
Oh, okay. So you can, like, you could put links in. Like, you can see that, right?
Yeah. Maybe because you're a mod.
Yeah, that's what I was checking.
Well, guys, what are you doing, man?
How many people click
What?
that just to go straight back to this?
Link. I got
stream.
hacked. Send Discord link. Raven tell Elias to stop being an immigrant and get back to trading. Stop being an immigrant. Alright.
I should have done a link to like, just like Rickroll.
Can somebody do math and tell me if I can take out of my MyFund Future account? I've been trying to figure this out for the past 40 minutes, and I'm just not doing it, and I
It
keep
literally
getting
tells
disconnected.
you what you need to get to on the My Fun Future website.
Does it? What do I need to get to?
No, it says it on the account, on the website. You can scroll down.
Your largest day for 76% of your total profit.
Yeah, so just do 10,075 times 24 divided by 4.
No, this is the problem. It's not it. Because that's 2,687. Oh, wait, is that it? Wait, 1,000. Well, what? Because 1,000 divided by 0.4 is 2,500? I have no idea.
So anything over 2,700 should be. Well, what was your value? What was the total value of your account when you took the payout?
I don't know.
Go back up to the calendar.
Doesn't tell you.
But you can see when you withdrew.
Yeah.
Press it.
Oh.
Does it say what your account was at?
I don't think so. Also, why does it say my best trade was $905? Does it make any sense? My best trade was over $905.
Maybe that month.
No, because then I just switched back over to this month with it. It doesn't say it. I have no idea. I don't know.
Well, whatever. Go back up to.
He's trading as 100. Yuck. He called me a dirty Moroccan.
Go back up to where it shows the 10,000 and the percentage value.
The 10,000.
I say 1,075. So it's 76% of your account.
So do you do divided by 0.76?
Six. So you had $1,400 in your account. So you need to make $4,000 to get a payout.
Yeah, my Future just sucks beans.
That's because you fucking made you made almost your max payout in one day.
Yeah, well, I don't know, $1,000 divided by 0.4. I was like, okay, I only need to get the account to stay above 2,500, and I'll be fine because that's what it is on Apex. But it's not like that. Mike, you're confusing me. Mike, you've been killing it. Well done, bro. Thank you, Woodsy. I appreciate it. We have been doing pretty swell, I must say. You're telling him it sucks and it's awesome. Don't you know, Raven? I don't know anything. This is the same thing as the market. I said the market's going to go up, it's going to go down. I was wrong 15 times. I don't know anything. Well, I'm too good for it, Raven. That's the issue, you know? I'm just making too much money.
I said it when you took that trade too. I'm like,
well,
it's a
you
big
also
trade. It's gonna
said
fuck
that
your
I just have to
consistency.
be, like, it's not what you thought it was. So that doesn't help.
We were both.
Wait,
Right.
what's the prop firm that costs $50? Funding ticks. Look it up.
Josh put that financial disclaimer for your. You're confusing.
Yeah, none of this is advice. I'm a dumbass. Got you, cheers. I'm off. Peace out, FFs.
Yeah,
Did you end up taking a trade? Wait.
I think you just took one for.
Did you take that
was it
short
someone else?
off that 50-minute range? Yeah.
You made 30 points.
I mean, if that's not the easiest break and retest of the 50-minute range with 0 drawdown, enter at the close of that candle, I mean, even just to the bottom, that's like the easiest 28 points I've ever seen in my entire life. He did take one. Yeah. You can see which one he took. Let's go.
How about steak?
Okay.
Let me do my daily dollar. Oh, I need to wait 7 minutes.
So if 1,000 takes up 76%, are you
I just
sure?
did the math out for you.
That doesn't sound right.
You
To get it down to-
76%.
I need to get it down to 40%. And it's at 76%. That was before this day. So what's 3,169?
Maybe it's not right.
I'm out too. Gotta
I
enjoy
don't
the
know.
last few days.
That's hard.
I respect it. All right. Peace out, ES. Bye bye. I'm probably gonna be getting off here in a second too. I'm
Wait,
just trying not
how
to be
many
a
days
fucking
have you-
dumbass.
Can you go back to your calendar?
That's not the right one. What?
Have you made any profit after that $1,000?
Today will be the first day. Because I was on Friday and I didn't trade yesterday.
Okay, so $300 is like 22%. No, that's all fucked up. That doesn't make any sense. I don't know.
Are we retarded? 3,169. How much money did I make today?
Like $475, I think.
Am I having a stroke? All right, $475 minus 475. So my account was at 2,694, and that was 70%. What does that help me with? I don't know exactly. Okay, hold on. So my account was at 1,075 was 76% of 2,694.
Yeah.
Okay. What does what does that mean? Why can't I do simple math? I'm having a brain stroke, dude. What is happening? I can't figure this out for the life. For some reason, your number sounds terribly wrong. I'm like not putting together what I need to do to figure this out.
Galaxy student here. Have you been listening this whole time? We're dumb, Raven. Help us out.
I was good at math.
Wait, so okay, what was your total account value to start with? I need a fucking piece of pen and paper.
Before today? It was like
Yeah.
right around 2,694, like give or take a couple dollars.
3,694.
That made up in $1,075 win made up 76%. I'm bringing up my iPad right now. All right. So out of 1,075 made up 76% of 2,694. That doesn't make any sense in itself right there, does it? Maybe it does. Yeah. No, it doesn't.
I don't know, I'm a brick. Do I have a pen?
What was the number? I don't even know. What number? Based on today, it was $2,694, and it's saying an $1,075 win of that $2,694 made up 76% of it. But I don't even think that's true.
Wait, isn't there a consistency calculator on my Thunder Futures?
I don't know. Where would it be? Because that doesn't even make any sense. How is 1,075 make up more than 50% of something that, like $1,075, 50% of that is 2,150. So how did I have 2,694 and it's saying it's making up 76% of it?
Wait, you have a. Oh, you have a starter. The plans only go to core scale.
This doesn't even make any sense. How does this have 111% of my daily? That doesn't even make any sense. On this account, what?
Why does it say 111?
I have no. It doesn't even make any sense. That day you had with the 1,000. This was 112. Was 60%. It wasn't even. No, it wasn't even 50%. If I had $2,594 and I made 1,075, right? Because this is what it was, or no, yeah. So I had 2,000. No, my account is because that's you need to withdraw or leave $100 buffer or whatever. But it's like, so I had $2,694 in there with an $1,075 win. That's not even half. That doesn't even make up half of it. How could it be over 50%? That's like 40 something percent. That's like 41% or 43% or something. That doesn't even make any sense. Sorry, it's like yeah. Because if it was $2,500 exactly, it would be 40%. So realistically, it should be like 44% maybe. If it was, or yeah, like 44% is what it should be. I'm gonna calculate not statistics. I don't know. Whatever. Just fucking keep trading them, I guess.
It doesn't make sense because 10,075 divided by 0.76 is 1,400.
What? No, it can't be 39.9, Raven. Because 2,500 divided by.
Wait. I'm on to something.
2,500 divided by 0.4 will be 1,000. Or like 1,000 divided by 0.4 will be 2,500. Actually, oh, but I made a little bit more. It's a little bit more. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe you're right. I don't fucking know. Maybe you're right.
So that means your accounts had $1,100 when you got up with after your payout.
Had $111 left in them.
Yeah. So then would be a. So then 1,075 divided by 4 is 2,600. So you need to make $3,700 about to get a payout.
3,700.
Yeah, that makes sense, right?
I'm at like just over 3 now, so I need to make like $600 more, $550 more.
Yeah, pretty sure it's like 3,700 ish.
I'm just growing these accounts for no fucking reason.
Literally, you could just start trading fucking $50 and just get green days and get max payouts. Like,
Well, I already have green days.
or I'm saying after you get a payout. Like it literally like after that it doesn't even make sense for you to make as much money as you are. You should only be going for fucking like max
Oh,
$200.
really? So I should literally just be trying to get $100 days because I have more money and
Like realistically, or your buffer's just gonna keep like
yeah, getting harder and harder to admit. Well, like if I keep making $400,
but it gets to the point where it doesn't even make sense for you to keep making money because you're never gonna see it.
yeah,
Like if they put you in a live, you just reset.
yeah.
So like
It'd
it
be
wouldn't
cool to
even
get
be a
live though. Kind of.
No, I'm not saying it's not cool to get a live. It's cool, but it's just like all of that profit. Like say you make your $6,000 in profit on those accounts. It's not like you get to see that. It's just gonna fucking vanish. Like all that money you made is just gone.
Looks like I'm past the starter accounts then. Looks like I'm turning into an expert.
Should have got this or scale accounts.
Well, they weren't out when I had these. Oh my god, 8 minutes left. Fuck me.
Mine should.
Okay, so I should be back tomorrow with 26 funded accounts. I'm going to get my funded future and get the pro account. Get the pro account? Okay. Wait, what?
It's a pro account.
Is there even a pro account? Oh, pro?
Yeah. $227.
You can spend $227?
What's? I mean, I'm assuming you can get big payouts. Is that what? Like, what's the difference?
Payout rules, minimum 1K payout, subsequent payouts 14 days, first payout 14 days. No activation fee. Yeah, but you could buy a fucking core. Wait, is it a core account? Does a core account have an activation fee? No, the core or the none of them have activation fees.
No.
That'll be your keeper. If I were you, I'd just buy 5 fucking core accounts.
Yeah.
Pay fucking $400, and then if you get a payout, what you get $1,000 payout in each.
I would just get cores, but
I want to get affiliated with them because I like them, and that's who I recommend the most for most people. But it wants you to have 500 subscribers, and I can't because I'm a failure. But okay. I think that's it. I don't think I'll be requesting anything today. I'll probably just try to wait for tomorrow so all my accounts are kind of on the same page-ish. And then just try to take... I think if I make like over $200 tomorrow, I can request out of every account. And that'll be like 25K probably if I make like $200 tomorrow. So... we're getting ready. We're definitely in a position to have our best month ever. Actually, I think we already have, technically. But we're on pay... like, if I can get another 20K payout plus, my funded futures should too. I don't know. I could have a 50K month this month, so we'll see. But I'll create 80 fake accounts.
that's so bad, so.
I appreciate it. That would be crazy. But, alrighty. Peace out.